name is Ege Mete. I'm studying Türk Telekom Science High School, and I'm going to tell you the Düzgün Baba legend. Düzgün Baba legend is not so popular, but well known in the Tunceli. Let's take a look what this legend says. Shah Haydar was the son of Sayyid Mahmud Hayrani. He built a house on the Zargovit hill near Zeve to graze his animals. He tended to his livestock there. Seeing his goats well fed in bitter cold of winter, Sayyid Mahmud Hayrani wondered what is Shah Haydar feeding these animals in the middle of the winter that they are so well fed. He went with Shah Haydar to where the animals were. He saw that whichever oak tree Shah Haydar touched with his stick, that tree immediately turned green, adorned with fresh sprouts, and the gods feed on these sprouts. Seeing this, Sayyid Mahmud Hayrani wanted to return without saying a word. However, at the moment, one of the gods sneezed several times in a row. Shah Haydar asked, "What happened? Did you see my father, Darwish Mahmud, that you are sneezing so much?" Looking back, he saw his father trying to live without being seen. He felt ashamed for addressing his father by his first name. Fleeing from his embarrassment, he climbed a tree known as Düzgün Baba Mountain and settled there. It is said that when Shah Haydar fled in embarrassment for addressing his father by name, he was wearing snowshoes, also known as leken, worn in winter. With these snowshoes, he walked 3 steps from Zargovit to Düzgün Baba Hill, leaving imprints on the stone wherever he stepped. These imprints are visible today. When Shah Haydar didn't return home for a couple days, his mother became worried. She asked Shah Haydar's father to check on him. The father in turn and told his men, "Go and see how our Shah Haydar is doing." A few of the men climbed to the top of the mountain, 2,500 meters height, to meet Shah Haydar. They inquired about his well-being and whether he had any problems, then returned to Zeve. They told Sayyid Mahmud Hayrani that Shah Haydar was fine and there was nothing to worry about. They conveyed greeting and respect and kissed his hand. This first, his affairs are in order, spread by word of mouth. And after a while, this man, whose real name was Shah Haydar, came to be known as Düzgün Baba, father of the righteous. He was called Düzgün Baba from that day forward. That's it. I hope you enjoy this legend. Goodbye.